Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Ford Ranger XLT dual cab ute, stock reference number 5810. The shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 6th month 2011. It has a WEAT 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-drive transmission. WEAT 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight. Left guard has no damage, bonnet has no damage, left power door mirror in chrome, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left pair of factory side steps with all bolts and brackets, left front door has 3 small dents and a light wobbles, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side steps sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right rear door has 2 small dents and light wobbles. Right front door has 1 small dent and light wobbles. Right power door mirror in chrome. Right guard has no damage. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, aftermarket Pioneer touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.